Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone actually has an in-screen fingerprint sensor and that the operating system is up to date. This avoids enrollment errors. Next, make sure the display and any screen protector are clean so the sensor reads accurately. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and choose Add Fingerprint. You need an alternate unlock method enabled, so set a PIN or password if prompted, because the system requires fallback authentication during enrollment. You now follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Place the pad of your selected finger flat on the sensor, then lift and reapply at slightly different angles so the algorithm captures edges as well as center. Make small adjustments rather than sliding. The sensor maps ridges at multiple orientations to improve accuracy. If your phone asks for additional scans of the fingertip or edges, comply until it reports full enrollment. Make sure to enroll a second finger for redundancy. This saves time later if one finger is injured. Finish by testing unlock consistently. Lock the screen and unlock using a few hand positions and in different lighting so you see real-world reliability. If the sensor fails often, delete the fingerprint entry and re-enroll, cleaning the screen first and making sure you scan varying angles. Software updates can also fix recognition issues, so keep the device current. If problems persist, try a different finger or consult device support. Finally, avoid thick or metallic screen protectors unless explicitly compatible with in-screen sensors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.